Aloha mai kako, aloha e Moloka'i nui a hina. Mahalo nui, what a great honor and privilege it is to be here on this aina, to bring our opio from Kona, Waimea, Kohala, and all on the west side of our island. So mahalo again. Our first oli we talked about is mentioning our aina, where we come from, the different districts, in the fashion of a canoe, so it reminds our opio to stay in the canoe together, work together with aloha. We are from the Queen Lili Uokalani Children's Center in Kona, as well as Waimea, and we have our opio group, the Aha Opio Moku o Keawe. Our focus is teaching them hula, reconnecting them with their ancestors. Myself and Auntie Polena, as well as Uncle Lyle, are the kumos of these opio, and Uncle Keiki is also who we partner with in Hilo. So mahalo, mahalo, mahalo nui. Our next chant, we want to of course honor our Queen Lili uokalani, because if it wasn't for her, we would not be or have this opportunity to be on this aina. It honors our kupuna, it honors our aina that we come from, our queens, Ahupua'a of Keahu'olu, which is her mother's land that was given to our queen many, many years ago. And so we still sit on that land, we still malama that land, and this opio will do a chant in honor of our queen, to honor the land of Keahu'olu where we come from. I'd also like to mention our kupuna at the Uipo, who is also our guide, our kupuna, who give us guidance.
That's where we see the girls watching the guys.
So yes, mahalo nui.
How are you?
Moloka'i.
I want that. That's hot stuff.
Yeah. You want it?
No, I got my own things.
Oh, yeah. They didn't have my size.
I know, I didn't have mine either, but that's all right.
And I was first in line, and I didn't have my size.
He sold, Elaine is saying he sold a lot of them in Honolulu and came here with nothing. I saw your wife somewhere floating around.
She's with her Hawaiian.
Yeah, I know.
You want to sit in her chair?
No, I'm gonna go sit, man my table. Kind of sort of 2 boots this side from straight back.
Okay.
Ai, e o ye li o na moku